Carmine "Mr. Gribbs" Tramunti was a significant figure in the American Mafia, particularly known for his leadership as the boss of the Lucchese crime family. Despite being a less publicized figure compared to other mob bosses, Tramunti played a crucial role in shaping the organization and maintaining its operations. Carmine Tramunti was born on March 1, 1910, in New York City. Growing up in East Harlem, he became associated with street gangs and criminal activities, eventually finding his way into the Lucchese crime family. With his sharp wit and business acumen, Tramunti quickly rose through the ranks, gaining the trust and respect of his superiors. Tramunti's ascension to power came in 1970, following the death of boss Tommy Lucchese. Known for his low-profile approach and aversion to media attention, Tramunti ruled the Lucchese crime family with strategic silence. This earned him the nickname the Silent Don. During Tramunti's reign, the Lucchese family expanded its criminal ventures beyond traditional activities such as loan sharking, gambling, and labor racketeering. Under Tramunti's direction, the family ventured into narcotics trafficking, particularly heroin distribution, creating a lucrative revenue stream for the organization. As boss of the Lucchese family, Tramunti became a member of the Commission, a governing body that represented and mediated conflicts between different mafia families. Tramunti's influence within the Commission and his ability to negotiate conflicts ensured the stability and success of the Lucchese family's operations. In the early 1970s, Tramunti decided to step down as boss, citing health issues. However, his retirement did not exempt him from the law. In 1985, Tramunti was indicted for racketeering charges, leading to his conviction and subsequent imprisonment. He was sentenced to 10 years but only served a portion of his sentence before being released on parole. Carmine Tramunti may not have received the same level of public attention as other mob bosses, but his implementation of a low-key leadership style was unique and effective. Under his leadership, the Lucchese family flourished, expanding into new criminal enterprises and maintaining an influential position within the American Mafia. Carmine Tramunti, the silent boss of the Lucchese crime family, left an indelible impression on the American Mafia. Despite his reserved demeanor, Tramunti's strategic decision-making and ability to navigate conflicts ensured the continued success of the Lucchese family's operations. While his later years were marred by legal troubles, Carmine Tramunti's influence within the American Mafia remains a notable chapter in its storied history.